Hey guys, good day. My name is Egwe Stanley, aka Simple Graphics. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, if you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do it to subscribe. And also, when you are watching the video, do it to like. This will help the video being pushed to more people. You understand? So this is what I'm going to be doing, and I just imported the picture so you can see it. So first of all, I want to start. I just want to clean everything. So I'll show you how I pick the size. So the first thing was putting the size in 4 by 5 in pixel. I used to use 4000 by 5000. So I want to import the shawarma image and use relative size to fill it up and then slip it. So the first thing there is to bring our shawarma right up. Shawarma, shawarma. So the font I used was Beva's new, the bold one. So I'm going to release our shawarma image, so I can just see the size I picked. I think it's almost empty. Yeah, so it's okay. This, so I'm going to remove it. So first of all, I want to duplicate or copy. I'll add another copy, add another copy, add another, and I guess the last one, add another. So just try to see how you can balance the lines, centralize each of them, centralize. Then I want to turn it to white. I want to turn it to white so that you can actually see. The background is next thing I want to work on, but I want to turn it to white first of all, so it will be hidden. But we're still going to lock them up. So I'm going to lock them up, and then I want to work on the background now. Go to display color. So this is the color I picked, and there are other things I did. So I went to the stripes on it and take it to the lowest, then increase the repeat to the highest, and then I went to the noise on it to the alpha back, increase the enhance. Understand? So just that. So I want to bring in my shawarma picture. So this is it. Staying on this side. The other shawarma picture is this. So what I did here was to flip this image, 3D rotation, flip it here. So I just take it this side. You've automatically flipped it. So I just want to see the image, so I'll see if my things are in shape. Yes, they're actually in order. So what I'll do again is to bring in my shape, which is this. Then I'll increase the radius. Yes, so I want to undo. I don't want to see the size. I was almost getting it. Just this so slight. So I'm going to change the color to the other color, and then I added the shape, and then I made a gradient or a drop shadow. Let's say, let me call it a drop shadow. So I increase this to here, and then the offline axis to here. Then I went to the color, reduce it. So I increased the radius. Understand? So I think for the stroke, I increased the stroke to 4. This is it. So I want to lock it up. So I want to bring in my other right top. Is it get yours or grab yours now? I'll check that. So this is it. Using, let me look for the name. Get yours now. Okay, get yours now. So going back to our first font, which is Beber's new. Get yours now, and I'm going to increase the size, and this is it. So what I did is to centralize it and then reduce the line spacing. So get yours now. Fine. So the other right top I put there. I think I'm going to send this one off so I can see what I'm doing. Get yours now for as low as, okay. So when I use another font, for as low as, okay. I think the other font I used was the Montserrat, so no need for stress. So the size still of this, reduce the size. The line spacing I'll also reduce it, and then I'll centralize it. For as low as 2K. So this get yours now. I'll copy it and then go and put my price there, and 2000. So I'll change the color to our background green. So for the background green, I'll show you the color. That's what the little. So everyone located in Abraca. So Abraca is my base for now. So everything I'll be designing, I'll be using Abraca location. So everyone in Abraca. So I'm just going to add this here. Then I will reduce the size. Okay, I think it looks small, so I'll just increase it here too. Then the line spacing, to increase it too. Wow, so we're almost there. So the address is this address. I don't even know why I got it, but I just typed something. 15 Ivie Road. For those of you that is in America, you know Ivie Road is a hotspot for anything you want to buy. Student area. So 15 Ivie Road. Of police station. Abraka, Delta State. You know there are some designs you do. You don't need to put this many things. So this Delta State, Abraka, 15 Ivie Road of Police Station Road. Okay. So this is so I just centralize. The next thing is to put my social media and phone number. So I'll just copy this and then this. So I want to put this our signals, our icon. The one I use 30737338. If you don't know how to download this icon, you will need to learn it. So this is here. Copy, and let's say I'm using N here. Don't worry, we'll change them later. So my Instagram handle Simple Graphics 1. So you can follow me on Instagram. You know, I have 2 accounts. I don't know why I'm using only this one. This account, you don't even see this design there because it's for my brand identity. So what I want to do, I want to centralize it, and let's go and work on the M. So go to alphabet, and then I'm going to highlight this. So there is a font that is here, font 100. Oh, I think N does not work, but anyway, we'll change it. So it's not N, it's C for Instagram. Then this one, instead of the C is the N. So I'm going to change those to V and N. Search for font. This font. So it's font 100. I think I taught you guys how to download font. You can just go down. If you don't know how to download font, you can go back and check other videos on this my YouTube channel. You see where I taught this. So what I did again was just to add this color, just to add more colors to it, center back. And so there's one other thing I did. Yes, for this design. So I think we are actually done. Yes, practically. So we are done. Now the last thing I did was, after exporting, make sure to save as PNG, and then Ultra. So your image format will be in PNG, your quality is going to be in Ultra. Understand? So export. So I wanted to make the design pop, so I just went to Snapseed. Sorry. So I just went to Snapseed, import the design, which is this. So I tried two effects. The first one was pop, and you see the way it pops the design, both the background, but I don't want the design to pop as much as the images, so I just use this accentuate. So it popped out only the write-ups. Understand? Okay, I think there is something I did in the shawarma, so let's go back. So for this shawarma, so it's okay. The second one, so do this too. I reduce the opacity to 80. Then the next one, I reduce the opacity to I think 65. The next one, I reduce the opacity to 50 something, for 40 something. Then the last one, I reduce the opacity down, so it will be as if it's reducing in shadows. So let's say 20. So let's reduce it down. So just try to make this shadow repeat accordingly, so that it will not be too much. So this is it. So this is what I did. So I want to export again, PNG. Okay. Then I'll go back to my Snapseed. What are you saying? So I'll go back to my Snapseed. If you don't have it, you can just go to Play Store to download it. So I'll use the accentuate, and it's going to pop out my write-up. So anytime you design, it's good. Sometimes it's good to use this effect so that it can actually make your design pop out very well. Understand? So I think this is the end of the video. So please do well to follow, and see you guys in the next video.